Hey guys, welcome back to our Nifty 50 analysis. We're looking at the weekly chart, and clearly Nifty has been stuck in a range from 900 to 400. Last week as well. This week is no different. And finally, we are opening right on support with a gap down of nearly 200 points this morning. SGX is minus 195 when I last saw it. It's around about 200 now, right here. Okay, so we're opening right on support, and let's see if we sell off from there or we bounce back up towards 110 or 100. So if we go lower than 17,000, we're looking at a support of 850 in the weekly. Okay, which we tested earlier this week on Monday, and we might do that again today. Okay, um, with our resistance obviously at 400. Given the market sentiments last week in Europe and Americas, I don't think we're gonna go up. We're gonna gap down and maybe hang around the 900 levels. Okay, so let's look at further details and go to the hourly chart, and let me zoom out here. Okay, so since the 18th of April, Nifty's been stuck in a range of 400 and 900 with a very brief tryst with the 800 level. This was on the 19th. That was kind of a freak trade after 3 p.m. Okay, barring that, we've been hovering between the 900, 16,900 and 17,400. In my previous videos, I have mentioned that this range bound movement gives an opportunity to apply some of the sideways market option strategies, such as an iron condor, iron butterfly, short strangles, short straddles, etc. Okay, and obviously, as expected, the market has remained in this range. It continues to remain in this range from 900 to 400. Again, today opening around our support here at 17,010, gap down. And let's look at some of the levels in detail below that. We have support at 950 labeled for you for your ready reference, then followed by 900. Okay, so we could again test the 900 this morning, and I expect it to bounce back up or start to recover from there, and eventually going sideways for the rest of the day, as it has done this past couple of weeks. Okay, so good luck with your trades this morning, and happy hunting.